there are basically three common modes of making money. You will either get a salary in a company that you work or in the clinic that you work, or you will start your own business where you will withdraw a salary or you will take a cut of profit, or you can have an investment which will gain you income in the long-term process. Whichever method you use for generating income, income is a combination. But how do we manage finances if we are confused about basic terms like what is income, what is expense, what are investments, what are assets, what are liabilities? I'm sure as students of non-commerce backgrounds, these terms will be confusing you. Am I right? Are you aware of, have you heard the terms assets, depreciations, appreciations? Similar investment product that you can explore. It does not have the same returns as an FD, same returns as a mutual fund, but it is a very safe investment product, just like an FD. So in FD, what you would essentially do is you would collect an amount, give it to the bank, and the bank would give you an interest on the amount that you have submitted. There is a payment system called RD. RD is a recurring deposit. So what do you do in a recurring deposit? Instead of paying 30,000 into an SIP into a mutual fund, you pay that 30,000 into an RD towards an FD, and you build a corpus in an FD instead of building the corpus in a mutual fund.